Yo, what's up guys? How you doing? And today we're playing Roblox. And as you see, this is my avatar. I am this, and Lego Shadow is over there. But I know what to do. Hey everybody, say hi to Shadow. Let's see. Alright.
Oh, wait, I already reached the top.
You did? Alright then. Enter mysterious cave.
Ooh, lovely.
Let's do this.
Lovely.
Darn! Yeah, right. Alright, let's do this.
Oh my god. Guys, do you not know what this is? This is like the...
Whoa. Time to cheat. See ya. Ta. All I have to do is just jump over this thing and waboom. What? It's just a little cheating. Ah! Ah! Someone slayed me with their sword because I cheated. Hey, that's it. I'm getting them back. What? Ooh, a gun.
Let's go.
Oh, hold on.
And I just cheat.
Let me get the gun.
My skating
Hey, buddy.
skating boots are cheating right now.
Want my gut? Haha, very funny. I shoot you. Oh my gosh. I clone myself. Hey clone, how about you do something for me? Get Shadow. Go get Shadow. Ah! He's trying to kill my clone also.
Why is he trying to kill people?
I don't know. Green.
I'm sorry, standing on green.
Alright. Oh my gosh.
No, he's trying to kill people.
Sorry, buddy, but you can't kill me.
It's not fair. It's not fair.
Is this a color? I think it's gray. Well, if it's not, then... Oh, shoot!
This is not fair. He killed me. It's just not
Well,
fair.
while I'm waiting,
What?
I will do my dance.
Bruh. Are you seriously emoting? Yeah. I'm gonna buy you this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy this. Oh, wow.
Someone dance party with us. Oh. No. Wee! Ow. Bro. This is easy. This is totally easy. Let me clone myself. Hold on. Hey, buddy.
A mysterious world. Oh, this is so easy.
And if I'm going too fast, all I have to do is hover with my jetpack. And then bada boom. Defeated.
Sorry about me.
Oh, darn.
I'm pressing button. I'm gonna press.
No, you've already been it.
You see my statue?
I know.
Okay, fine.
Let me press it. I'm going to keep tapping the screen. No. Shadow, you've already been it. Am I it? Shadow. Oh my gosh. I'm a bunny. Yay. How awesome is that? Boing.
Terrible. Let's go.
Yeah, too bad. That's what you get for being the first button presser. Actually, twice. Yaddy. Ha. Gotta go fast.
The chicks want to
How about a cheat little? Guys. Ow! Like and subscribe so I can come across with my jetpack.
What?
Thanks.
Sonic, quit cheating.
What? It's just
I
another...
decided you should quit cheating. Not forcing you to.
I earned it.
You didn't earn anything.
Yes, I did. See, I already made it. First.
You did.
So when you get here, you're gonna be too late, so I have time to press this button. Ha ha ha. That was my idea. I think he's... Yes. Yes? Am I the button presser?
I don't know how to use these.
Me neither. How do you...
No.
Alright.
Yes, I blew someone.
Sneak attack!
Someone almost blew me up.
Someone has a taser. Oh, shoot. Ooh, shoot. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. Hey.
She's tasing people. She's coming for me. She's coming for me.
Sorry, Shadow.
She's coming for me.
I'm still on the island.
And I died.
You got tased or you got blowed?
Blowed. I was running and I went to the end of the map and then someone blew me.
Hey!
Hey!
I'm still trying to press this button here.
Stay away from the pumpkin. This
Alright.
is easy.
Guys, let's do this in first
Guys,
person to
it's
scare you.
super simple.
Put it in first person because it's more scarier.
Just go straight forward. Like, dude.
What's that sound?
Yeah, see that? That's a
I can hear his laughing. Did you guys hear that?
I don't.
Shh. I think I heard it.
I zoomed out my screen so I can see it.
Shadow, wait for me, dude.
Follow me. I can see everywhere.
I'm
where
kind
I
of scared.
am. I can see all of my surroundings.
Alright. I hear his laugh. I hear his laugh. I hear his laugh. I hear his laugh.
You go this way.
Shadow. He's closer. He's close to us. You're going too fast. Wait up. That's it. What? My shrink potion can wait. I can see it. Oh my gosh, that thing is fast. Shadow, I'm going the opposite way.
Oh my god, I just saw him. I didn't know he was that
This time I'm not cheating.
I was trying to go to him, but I didn't
If you see Sophia, Sarah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 disappear, that means he's coming for us. So if you see her name disappear, we're cooked.
Please, Sophie, Sarah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Please, stay alive. So you won't come after
Stay
us.
alive!
I see.
Until we meet again, my friend.
Sonic, how the frick did you survive? I was there at the last second.
The fastest thing alive. I live up to my name, buddy.
I was there at the last second.
Alright, that was cool. What else? What else we got? Money, money, money. Mr. Krabs. Money, money, money. SpongeBob, me boy. Go get me some garbage so you can throw yourself into it.
Wait, what?
Reach the top.
What?
Do you want me? I think I should cheat again.
Sonic. It's not fair.
Oh, what? I earned it, so I can do whatever I want with it.
That's cop.
Okay. You're gonna cap yourself if you don't stop. Die.
No! No, I fell!
That's actually crazy. Ooh, good, nice save, Sonic. She tased me, but then I used my jetpack to jump right up.
Sonic, quit yelling at it!
What? I had to... Buddy, she tased me.
I don't care! Why is the cube so darn fast?
No, it's not.
Please don't hear me. I'm busy cat. I don't give a fuck.
Yo,
Hey, give me the world. I will give. Oh, man! She's coming after me.
oh, great heavens.
No!
No, Shadow.
She tased me!
She tased you?
Yes! I knew we were gonna take her.
Man, Nana Boo Boo, you can't catch me. Ah.
Where the freak you get a jetpack from?
I forgot how much it's cost. How much?
I'm at 607.
Oh.
By the end of the
I'm
video,
done.
I'll have a jet. Oh, shoot.
Wait. Blue, red, green. Wait. Okay. All right.
Easy.
Stop.
Yeah.
Oh my
She's
gosh.
teasing us. Wait, she's still in the game. I think. Oh, no, she's not.
All right.
Oh,
Oh my. Wait, you moved?
no.
Ah!
I didn't move.
Oh my my gosh, how? I'd shoot you back. Darn. Wow, that is sad. Hey,
Sonic, I think we should build a house. I think we should rent a house.
all right, let's do it. And, where are we?
Oh my god.
What
Dude,
is
wait,
this place?
monsters arrive in 5 seconds? What?
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Well,
Oh,
whoa!
Whoa, why are they so fast?
What are we supposed to do? Why does it say that it's in my base? I guess we're supposed to build houses, Shadow.
Let's see if we can work on it together.
Maybe not. I'm gonna build me.
I can't. Gotta go to my house. Wait, ask to join.
What?
I pressed ask to join.
Oh, do it again. I accidentally pressed no. Do it again. Do it again. Hurry up, the monsters!
That's what I'm doing. I'm pressing it.
It's still popping up, but for some reason, keep doing it. Keep doing it. Oh my gosh.
What? Tell me when it says yes or no.
Huh?
Tell me there, and tell me not there. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I pressed yes.
Okay. So we have to build.
Build my other foot. That means copy it. You know.
Okay, wait. So this is 1, 2. Bro. 1. 2, how many blocks is this?
You're probably gonna
1,
have to place a
2,
lot.
3, 4, 5, and
Shoot,
2.
this isn't Minecraft. Hold on. Oh gosh. All right, there we go. Are you doing all right?
Yeah.
All right, Shadow. We have to do this because those monsters are gonna be here any second now. They're gonna be here in like 10 seconds. So.
Okay. I can't really see what I'm building.
That's crazy. All right. I don't think you're doing. You know what? It's fine. Okay, stay on the shoe. Noobs. Those noobs can't come get us. They're basically. Oh! Never should have doubted them. Never should have doubted them. Self?
Are you serious? Are you a noob hater?
No, I'm not. I'm not even a bacon hater. Who hates bacons, bro? Like, bro, they're just like that.
Ah!
Why are they chasing me? You know what? I'm coming to you. Ah!
Oh my god. Sonic!
Huh?
How dare you?
Not my problem.
Ah!
Here, let me help you with this. Okay, there you go. Time to continue building.
Oh my god!
I'll let you leave my partner behind. How's that chase?
I do not like you anymore as a friend.
Oh, what? Bro, come on. Fine. That was just a joke. At least you didn't die.
I almost did.
At least you didn't. Alright. This is going good so far.
Why you?
What?
Can I build me half?
Sure.
Bet.
You need to look at your shoes, though.
Okay.
So let me knock this out, and let me build my character half. I'm probably gonna have to, you know, have to jump and do that. And I'm gonna erase those because I need to get some height. This is kind of like my color.
How are the monsters already about to arrive? Like, bro.
That was kind of fast. Not gonna lie.
Hey, you think? They're here. And this time it's aliens.
Aliens? Well, they can't catch me because I'm already up here.
Bro, what?
I hope this isn't the height limit. Because if it is, I'm gonna crash out.
There's no way that's a height.
Well, if it is, I'm gonna crash out. There's actually no way this
They're
is a
not
height.
even coming. So, we're good.
Yeah, okay, I guess. But you're not even that high. Oh, shoot. This is good enough. Some space for me and Shadow's note. So Shadow won't have a nose. You know what? Forget about it. Oh no. Oh, I thought that was the height limit for a second. Let's see. Yeah, I could have just done this. I don't know why. I need to delete that. Now time to build my awfully beautiful mouth. I don't know why I said that.
For real though,
Okay,
it
let's
was
see.
just a little cringe.
Wait. Okay, hold on. How do I build this? That looks good. Now I have
My shoe is super hard, okay.
There's my mouth. Now I'm gonna do half my eye since Shadow wants to do half and half.
Apparently thinks that she's unique, but she's just one more emo free.
Hey, and Shadow, are you over Maria yet? Or are you still sad about her?
I was.
What do you mean you
But
were?
then you reminded me.
Oh, sorry. I never knew. Oh my gosh, that must have been my fault, wasn't it?
Oh my god, it's Enderman.
Enderman? What? Wait, seriously?
Are you serious? Did you just say seriously?
No, not Slenderman, man, not Enderman.
I said Slenderman.
No, you said Enderman. Guys, did he say Enderman? Comment down
I
below
said Slenderman.
if there even is comments.
What?
Alright. My half is pretty good. Not gonna lie.
Oh my god.
I don't want to give myself some bear
Will
ears.
you stop? Eh?
Some bear ears. Wait, is this the height limit? It's the height limit. Good thing I stopped Sonic's head right here. Oh my gosh, I would have been dead, bro.
If the time will stop.
Well, that's great. Yeah, so if you see where Sonic's ear is, that's where you have to stop. Because that's the height limit. Hold on. Are we gonna be able to get inside of us? Like, inside of our bodies?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, probably our heads, and we'd have to climb up.
I'm not sure about our heads. I'm not sure if it's about to be anything. But, oh no, I'm gonna have to jump down.
I got glitched into my rings.
Let me see. Oh.
No! It's here! I jumped out.
Are those minions? Oh no, that's John Doe. Who the heck is John Doe?
No! Don't kill me!
Who is John Doe?
Oh, why is it always me?
I don't know.
Can you come
Because
down
you're the
here?
ultimate life form. Fine, to make it fair. I might be a little high. Jump on! Ah! Shoot, John Doe's on my tail.
Finally, I can actually...
Knockout. Hey, John Doe. Stop. Okay, you're about to be gone in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Darn.
Are we making our feet 2 blocks or 1?
You... Wait, I'll tell you when to stop. One more.
But yours is only 2.
You'll see. And then you'll do that for the body below. You'll see. If you do it wrong, then I'll help you. But from now on, I'ma do my own thing. Okay, we're just playing.
Oh, great your Oxford.
What? Oh, what?
I said, oh, great your Oxford.
That one gumball reference, buddy. Oh, shit.
Can't get me.
My Sonic is turning out bad, don't you
I
think?
see a monster trying to come to us. And he went away.
Nice monster. Nice monster. I'm a little too close.
No,
I need to be quick about this.
I need a ladder. Come on, stairs, colors, materials, furniture. There's no ladder in this game.
Just chaos control yourself up here.
I got glitched into it again. You can see my hand.
That's kind of sad, Shadow. Dude, I can't see this because all I am is blue. Wait, I need to look at my spines to see if I'm doing it right. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. How about I... You know what, I'm gonna have to... How about I only do 3 spikes? How about I only do that, but... I can't see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to go all the way to the side. Up. Ah! Darn it. Darn it, concern it. Ah! Not again. Is there a ladder? Oh, there is. Alright. Come on, stairs. Don't fail me now. I'm just gonna build myself an obby thing. You know what, guys? I'll show you whenever this whole thing is done. Alright, guys. We are done and we cleaned up the whole mess. And this is the result.
What do I actually done?
No, you're like, you're standing on one knee. Like, you're bending your knee like I am the strongest. You know? Now, what we need to find a way to get up there
Which is how?
is if we find a ladder. Oh, let me see here. How do you... Oh, nice. I'm gonna get some stairs to come up to my Sonic. If it's high enough.
Okay, where?
You know what? It won't be high enough.
Where are we living?
Huh?
Where are we living?
On top of our house.
Just on top.
Yeah, on top. We'll see if this works. No, stairs. Face this way. Rotate. 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 Let's put them... Oh, what is wrong with me, actually? Dude. You know what? Oh. Clowns. I'm afraid of clowns. No, guys, seriously, I'm afraid of clowns.
You are?
No, actually, seriously, yeah. Ugh, a lot of mess ups. Guys, mistakes happen. Now I need to make a turn by doing this. I survived. Get chips. Alright, let's get back to work, guys. Ah! Oh. Darn it. Hey, Shadow, how are you doing?
Good.
Alright, alright. Alrighty then. What?
My stairs are just wonky. Look at them. They're wonky.
Aw, that's sad. Okay. What is wrong with me? People would still make it. The monsters are here. No. Get up!
Hopefully they're too dumb to see the stairs.
No, they won't. Almost there. I'm almost there.
Then I jump on my glove.
Almost there, Sonic the Hedgehog. Almost there, little buddy.
Shut up. Why?
Ah!
The freak.
Ugh.
Am I on my ring?
Ugh. What? I should. No. Those smart NPCs, bro.
Oh, wait, I should use protection.
Wait, was that mine? Oh.
Okay, I should use protection. Okay, it's a work in progress, but oh, no. Get up here. You hit up here, and right here, jump here, on the glove. No! Shadow, you're so dumb.
What makes you say that?
It's not connecting to my head.
I'm easily doing it. Hold on. Ah!
Why is black the worst color?
Shadow, you just questioned your own color.
Exactly. Like, it's so hard to
Whoa.
see. So,
That's true. It was hard for me to see whenever I was building you.
You mean when I was building you?
I was mostly. Oh yeah. I forgot. You were building you.
Kids
I just get.
right.
I'm not a kid.
Kids
I'm not a kid. Let me fix this because I need people to see the view of our house. Let me make this railway a little fun. What the? No, I never placed that there.
Okay, I'm using red.
Just chilling. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Made it. And our house is done.
My house is not done.
Yes. Well, it would be complete if you made your stairs. So, well, I'll pause and then I'll say until you guys are ready. Alright, guys. That is the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and like the channel and make sure to give this a big thumbs up. What?
Next video, we're gonna be road racing. We're gonna be racing and driving Empire.
What's that?
Alright, see you guys. Peace.
Peace.
Wait, just go. No, or the best hand. Subscribe, like, we out. Peace.
Peace.